Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to power off your Honor Magic 6 and it's the same also for 6 Lite and 6 Pro. So here is my Magic 6 Lite and to turn off this phone you need to push and hold the power button, also called the side button, for at least 3 seconds. So let's do it. Push it and hold it. You will see Google Assistant appear, but still pushing. And here is the power off menu, and from here you can restart or power off your phone. So let's do it again. Push and hold, power button, keep pushing, and now just tap on power off and again power off, and that's all. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.